Sorry if you guys are new here. Hi and welcome. We are back with doing a TJMaxx / HomeGoods haul. Now if you are familiar with my channel, listen, sometimes I just don't have the best of luck at TJMaxx. I don't know why. I see all these other people, they find amazing things, and usually it's a miss for me. It doesn't happen to me. I am fortunate enough that when I went to this new TJMaxx by my house, they actually had a handful of goodies that I want to show you guys. Now to me, I think that these are some designer finds, and I want to share with you guys what I picked up. So first I'm going to start with a handful of books, because coffee table books can tend to be quite expensive, and I found a handful at TJMaxx that I think, well, obviously I like them, so I bought them for my house and I want to share them with you guys. This first one that I came across at TJMaxx, it was $24.99, and this is the Nomad at Home. This is what the book looks like. I thought it was super pretty. I love the exterior of the book. I also like the side of it, but this is a designing the home for a more traveled look and feel. And I love the imagery of this book. I think it's just so beautiful, and I can't wait to just sit down and go through here and see if I can find any awesome ideas or inspiration that I think would help my home look more collected and lived in. So this book, I just thought is so beautiful, and I can't wait to sit down and look at it. It's also a really great book to display or to also stack or style with. So I picked up this one. I also snagged this one. This is a French country cottage inspired gatherings. I do love French country, especially for creating tablescapes. This book was $19.99, and what I really liked about it is it focuses a lot on tablescapes. I love doing these for bridal showers, baby showers. It also has some cooking recipes in here. But anyways, the imagery is just beautiful. It also shows you how to do different floral arrangements. Anyways, it's just a beautiful book, and I can't wait to sit down and read through this one. So this one was $19.99. This is also called Japandi Living, $29.99. And I actually didn't get a chance to look through it while I was there because it is wrapped. But let me open it real quick for you guys, and we can kind of take a peek together. So I used to live in Japan years ago, back in the day. I used to live in Japan. I worked for Disney as a princess, and I loved Japan. I loved everything about it. It's such a beautiful culture, and so I wish at the time I dived more into the home lifestyle that Japan offers. So anyways, I'm very intrigued, and I have a big interest in that minimal, clean look and design when it comes to decorating your home. So this is what the imagery of the book looks like. It's very minimal, it's very clean. If you want to learn more about this kind of Japanese and Scandinavian design, I will link this book down below for you guys. Now, when I was in the cooking aisle at TJMaxx, they also had some cookbooks that really intrigued me. I really needed some new ones too. So I found these three that I want to share with you guys. This first one is The Taste of Home, Boards, Platters, and More. If you guys are into creating charcuterie boards, this book would definitely be for you. I love doing charcuterie boards, especially for having guests and friends over for dinner, or even if you're having a game night and you want to create just a little snacking board. Oh, you guys should get this book. They have so many delicious ideas. What? Even this cute Halloween treat board. If you guys have kids and want to do something really fun and festive, I just think these are so great for a board that you can pick from. It's just so fun. They also have 4th of July. Oh, Easter would be such a cute idea. They have holiday stuff. Taco Tuesday platter looks amazing. What? Anyways, I will link this book. I will find it and I will link it down below. Across this one, this is a Make Every Dish Delicious. This is by Leslie Chesterman. This book just looked amazing from the outside cover. This one was $16.99. This is the most modern classic and essential tips for total kitchen confidence. So I'm always a sucker for new cookbooks. Oh, look, the pasta. Anyways, this just looks so yummy and delicious. And I love the coloring of it too. It's perfect to have on display in my kitchen to style up with some other cookbooks. So I'm very excited about that. This last one that I want to show you guys is this cookbook. It's called Good Morning. This one was only $14.99. I love the price of it. But this one is actually focused on 50 delicious recipes to kickstart your day. So this is more of like a breakfast cookbook. Look at the back. Like, what? They have a watercress crepes with ricotta, avocado, and edamame. Oh my gosh. Anyways, but the book is super pretty. I really like it. So anyways, if you guys want to check any of these out, I will find them and then I will link them for you guys to see. I found this really cute pedestal at TJMaxx. This was $19.99. This is handcrafted solid wood. It was designed and crafted in India. What I really like about these is I like using these in my styling cabinets. Also, if you are wanting to style like shelves, it's a great filler piece. And then you can also layer like a cute plant on it, or you know, any type of statue or candle, whatever you want to do. But I love these and I think they're great for styling. If you guys are at TJMaxx, definitely keep your eye out for these. It's a perfect little piece of style in your home. Okay, this next, all right, these I absolutely fell in love with. These were on the aisle, kind of like where they have all the like wooden or marble, kind of like knotted looking decor. This was $19.99 and I loved these beads. I love the size of them. I think they would look so good, even just kind of balled up and placed over a coffee table or like your entryway table. If you guys are at TJMaxx, try and find these because I thought they were just a beautiful and affordable decor piece to have in your home. These are handcrafted in the Philippines and oh, I just think they're so cool and so unique. And you can just style them a handful of different ways. And anyway, so this is like such a great find from TJMaxx. But anyways, keep your eye out for these if you guys go there next. Try and find them where like the wooden kind of marble knotted decor pieces are. And usually they are on like an end aisle. These next few items are just for the kitchen. These next few items are really kind of for the kitchen. This one I really liked. I love making like an iced tea for the day, and so I wanted to get a new steam pot. This was $29.99. This is from a Well-Equipped Kitchen. It's a 18 out of 10 stainless steel. I don't know what that means, but I really love the kind of traditional look of it, the handle, and then obviously the cute little pot, stainless steel. Anyways, I just thought it was so cute and pretty to have on our stovetop. So this one I definitely got to style it up. And then I also picked up some olive oil and balsamic jars for my kitchen countertop. So this one I grabbed. This is for olive oil. I like the little dispenser on top, and I like how dark these were. These were just a couple bucks. This was $5.99, and then I also got one for like balsamic or olive oil. I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet, but this was just $4.99, and I like the shape of them, and I thought I would pair them together. So two different tops, so at least I can tell the difference between which one is which. But I like these for my kitchen, and I'm gonna style them on my countertops as well for oils. So oils and vinegars. So anyways, I picked these up. These were a good little find. So anyways, I can't wait to decorate with these items around my house. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys love decorate with me videos, or you guys like haul videos, I will link my most recent one after this. Until next time, I will see you guys later.